it's Amanda here from Lolli Lulu Crafts, and today I have for you the next Simon Says stamp kit. Now this is the October kit. Now obviously I'm in the UK, so I do get this a lot later, and the kit itself has sold out, but the individual items haven't. And what I will do is I will list all of those on the blog post, as I do with every time I do a project or a review. I put links to the actual items, and I will do that for you, so they'll all be listed and you know exactly what they are. So we have here, it comes now in these little paper bags, which is quite cute to have the kit like that. And it also came with its normal lolly. I actually took that out straight away because last time, you may recall, it actually had leaked onto the envelope. It was fine, I rescued it, but I just wanted to make sure that I didn't leave it in there doing exactly that. So we're starting off here with this Simon Says Stamp Sketched Flowers stamp set, and I think that's really, really nice. I love all the sentiments, I love all that writing, but I really like this big flower set here. Then we've got this alcohol lift ink, which is so odd that this has come in this kit, because I literally have just got this myself, but I hadn't really heard of it, and then I saw it on Creative Expressions and I was like, what's that for? And I did a bit of research and I thought, okay, so I popped it in my next order, and then having not heard of it, it's like sort of when you sort of hear a name and then all of a sudden you hear it all the time you've never heard before. So anyway, that's just kind of a bit random that all of a sudden I've got this in the kit as well. And then we've got 3 alcohol inks. These are the Ranger ones, and we've got Sunshine Yellow, Stream, and Sunset Orange. Sorry, Sunshine Yellow. So really nice colours. This, I understand, is the UPO paper, so that's really good. Again, I just purchased some of that, but there's a couple of sheets in here, so this will be really good for using your alcohol inks on, so that's definitely something we're going to be using. Then we've got these Gina K Wildflowers sheets. This is toner ink, so I don't know if you've seen my foiling video from not my latest one with the Spellbinders machine, but the very old one that I had, and basically you would print, and you'd have to print using a toner printer, and then you could foil. So this is basically this already done for you. I'm not sure how you operate this without heat. I'm assuming you would have to put it through some sort of laminator, or like I've got a heat sort of foiling machine. I'm not sure how else you could use these on their own, otherwise I haven't researched that, but that's what comes in here. So you've got these 2, they're very shiny, and then you've got these sort of leaves here, so they're kind of sweet. And then we've got the Gina K Fancy Foil pack, and you get 12 sheets of the foils. So they're repeats, are they? Oh no, a little different. Couple of repeats. Yeah, they do. So you've got orange, red, hollow yellow, a yellowy green colour. There's another one in there. Plain orange, plain yellow. Then we're back to the hollow again, so we repeat. So it's 2 of each, probably of 6 designs. So that would be really pretty. These foils, if I understand it correctly, will not work like through my Spellbinders hot foil machine, because they need the toner part to actually to stick to something. Then you get an ideas sheet, and then finally we've got 3 pieces of Simon Says stamp cardstock, and those are in what colours? Bright yellow, burnt orange, and peacock. So very nice. They match very well, obviously, with our inks, like so. Okay, so that is the complete kit. It does kind of feel like a kit of 2 halves in many ways. I think quite often when you get the kit, you can see that all the elements will work together, so you can choose, I'll use that with that or that with that. Whereas this kind of feels like you've got the foiling side of things and then you've got the alcohol ink side of things. I don't think that's a bad thing. I don't have a problem with that at all, but I don't feel like you could really, it's not so obvious that you would use perhaps the foiling with the alcohol inks or whatever. So I definitely feel like you've got two different distinct elements to this kit. I think it's great. I love the colours, and I'm definitely looking forward to making a project with this. So do make sure you go on across to the blog post. It will also have on there the project video for you, so rather than hunting about for it on here, and also I will link it in at the end of this video as well. But I will have on the blog post the videos, the two videos, this one and the project video. I'll have all the links to the products and photographs obviously of the finished project as well, so do make sure you go on across to there. So I hope you've enjoyed taking a look at this kit, and I hope that I will see you for the project video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Bye.